Malik, number 10. The match number 3 of the Heroic Freedom Fighter Al Civil Trophy Football Tournament 2024 arranged at Faisal Ahmed Fahim Football Academy. The players wearing, and here is the chance of goal. I'll kick the ball. The ball in the middle of the field, and he's Jafar playing very well. And the ball under Fahim, and again Jafar clears the ball. And he's Malik, number 10. And set piece. Faisal Ahmed Fahim Football Academy corner. Goal kick, passing number 20. And he's Shishi under the control of the ball. Shishi tries to go forward. Mani, just number 10. Shishi. Actually, Faisal Ahmed Fahim Football Academy are playing so many passes among themselves to create a solid pressure. And here the cross goes to stop. And there was Alamin chance for Gobindpur Football Academy. Fahim on the attack. Here is the long here. He handled all the match. Trying to do outside of the far post. And that of the rocket shot over the far post. So well. Jafar tries to go forward, but he misses the ball. Pinoy Chakma clears the ball. Under the control of the ball, Harista, long-haired man, number 9. The players wearing white and black t-shirt at the southern part of the field are Fahim Football Academy, and the players wearing red and white t-shirt at the northern part of the field are Gobindpur. There is a long ball and no offside given. Pantheon is Alamin. Take your position. But Jafar tries to the pass. Fahim Football Academy. The players of Fahim Football Academy is playing so many passes opponent teams. And the ball is in the midfield. Here is the restriction number 20. Just number 6. Football Academy, good, nice long ball.